So muna ni atong part 2 sa video na to guys, no, gikan sa Davao to Tagum. Din karon na video guys is gikan ta sa Tagum paingon ta sa Nabunturan, Davao de Oro. So napansin niyo guys, so naglahi na ang ato ang view atong POV. So nanata jud diri sa front kay bakante naman siya guys. So diri na ta pwesto, no. So medyo okay na ang atong POV karon. So sana enjoy nitong video natin for today.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secret start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess.
So sa mga nagabiyahe diri, no, so naalala niyo itong view deck guys, no. So muna ni siya ang itsura karon guys, no, sa kuan day siya guys, no. Na landslide day siya guys, mao tong nawala ang view deck din na banda. So sayang kayo, no, kay gwapo ba yan ta kayo ang view.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So, andito na tayo sa kanilang palengke at kaharap lang nito ang kanilang bus terminal. So, ayan guys, at medyo maganda dito guys, at saka may makikita ka pang may makikita ka pang mga something green sa kapaligiran, no? So, nature na nature pa rin yung vibes dito, no? So, ayan guys, iwan ko kung anong tinatayo nila yan. Pero baka extension niya ng bago nilang palengke. Ayan guys, so ano lang to siya guys, no? Hindi to siya city. Ito ay municipality lang siya ng Davao de Oro.
Two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had.
So, andito na tayo sa Nabunturan guys, no? Papasok na tayo ng kanilang bus terminal. So, ito yung nila guys, yung parang rotunda. So, yung landmark ng Nabunturan. So, may nakalagay dyan na Nabunturan, Davao de Oro. So, hanggang sa papasok pa yung niya guys, no? So, medyo malayo pa talaga yung mismong terminal ng bus, no? So, ayan guys, yung may bumaba dito eh. Ayan.
And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So finally guys, nanami diri sa Nabunturan, Davao de Oro, no? So taas naman yun ang atong video. So I think napa na siya part 3 guys, no? So abangan nyo yung part 3. So dito na kami guys at bumaba na kami ng bus, and then nag-ikot-ikot muna kami dito sa kanilang poblasyon, and then mamaya guys is papakita ko na naman kung yung lugar na pupuntahan namin, kasi kailangan namin magsakay ng tricycle. So siguro sa part 3 na lang yun guys, no? Kaya medyo mahaba na talaga yung natin video. So dito na lang guys, and thank you sa pagsama, and abangan nyo yung part 3. Bye bye guys.